In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Akzo Nobel NV, ticker AKZA.NV, listed on Euronext. Akzo Nobel is a global paints and coatings company. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account before trading. Use the broker's search box and type the ticker AKZA.NV to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext entry that matches Akzo Nobel NV to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing historical movements. Confirm the name, market Euronext, and ticker AKZA.NV to ensure this is the right stock. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details before submission. If the market is closed, you can set a market order for when trading opens, or place a pending order. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to review the platform used in this example.